welcome to my channel. My name is Avita. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you have returned to hang out with me here on YouTube, I truly appreciate it. Today I'm going to be doing my October BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my box, please keep watching. If you are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it's a beauty box, and it's a subscription beauty box, and you receive 5 full-size products every month. The price of the box is $25. However, right now, if you sign up, you can receive your first box for $21, and you also get an additional product in the box. I've been with BoxyCharm for about 2 years, and I'm pretty pleased with my subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my box and show you guys what I got. Here is the box, and these are the products I received. This month, the BoxyCharm theme is BoxyCharm After Dark, and you receive a card. Each month you receive a card with all the products and prices of the products. And on the back it says, introducing the bigger BoxyCharm. They have something called BoxyCharm Premium that is coming out. It's the BoxyCharm 2.0. And they'll give you all the information about how that works here on the back of the card. And usually this little number on your card means the version of the box that you received. Everyone doesn't receive the same products in their boxes, and you can also kind of customize your box. You can choose to have this product or another, or you can choose to, you can take a little quiz, and you may want to have more makeup in your box versus more skincare in your box. So I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you guys my products. The first thing in my box is this Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I have Blushing Berries, and the net weight of each eyeshadow is 0.06 ounces. And it has a 12-month shelf life, and it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. And this is what the actual palette looks like. Here are the colors. I did already open this up and I swatched it, but I had to re-record that. So just be aware of that, because it's going to look a little dusty around the pans. But that's the palette, and it does come with a tiny little dual-ended brush. So I'm going to just quickly swatch these again for you. This one is Blackberry, Mixed Berries, Berry Pop, Berry Rose, Very chic. So those are the colors of the eyeshadows. It's an all matte eyeshadow palette, which I don't mind at all. I do like my shimmer, however, but I can always just pop some of that over the top. But that's a nice addition to my collection. The Blushing Berries palette. The next item in my box is, this is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray, and this is what the sprayer is like. So it's a nice fine mist. It's nice. Put that all over my camera, and I don't know, it just kind of smells like hairspray to me. And this says Iconic London Prep Set Glow. Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leaves the skin with Aucoin's glow. With extracts of cucumber, chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. This 100% vegan Wonder Spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. The next product in the box is another product from Iconic London. Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Iconic Lip Plumping Glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with biometric peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. This is the color. And this is the applicator. Similar to what I have on today. So that's nice. Pretty fall color lip gloss. Moving right along, the next product I have is this Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. And that's it. It's a very black. Very, very black. And it's pretty soft. And it smells slightly like a number 2 pencil. And it says, the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. Line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. And oh, I'm so used to doing my Boxing Lux boxes. I'm done. That's it. This is the last product. It's Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. And the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel says, achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess, perfect to use over powder or pencil. So that's our products. I have 5. We have the eyeshadow palette, the setting spray, the brow gel, the eyeliner, and the lip gloss. So I'm pretty pleased. I'm not, I don't hate my box or nothing like that. I did kind of wish I would have gotten they have a warm tone palette like this. It has kind of orange and really orangey rust kind of colors. So I would have, if it had been my choice to get that, I would have chosen that. But I got the berries palette, but that's okay. And this is cool. I'll see what it's like. I would have sprayed some on, but I kind of got a matte thing going on right now, and I didn't want to put anything, illuminizing over the top of it right now. The brow gel, I'm going to put some of this right here. This is the color of the brow gel, and it's in dark brown. And I think it might work for me. It at least in the front here of my brows, I could use that. But yeah, we'll see how I like it. And I'm okay about the lip gloss. It's a pretty color. I hope that it isn't too sticky or anything. And and this pencil is really long, and I'm glad that it is not sharp, and it doesn't seem dry. It seems pretty smooth. So, I don't mind. So, that's it for my BoxyCharm October unboxing. I hope I gave you guys enough information about BoxyCharm and how to order and things like that. I do have a referral link in the description box. So if you want to click that, if you know, I mean, I don't need to get any money or anything like that. I might get some extra charms because you can use charms and you can shop in the BoxyCharm charm room. If you have made it to this portion of my video, I'm having a giveaway. I used some of my BoxyCharm charms and I purchased a couple of things, and one of those things I want to give away to one of my subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel and supporting my channel. And so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because you can't win unless you're subscribed. And like this video, and please leave a comment. In the comments, please don't mention anything about the giveaway. In the comments, you can talk about anything about BoxyCharm, but also just put an emoji of the little dancing lady, so I'll know that you want to be entered. You can email me about the giveaway, or you can just simply put your Instagram name in the comment also, so you know I can notify you when choose a winner. So the product that I got is something that I received in a BoxyCharm. No, it was in my BoxyLuxe in March earlier this year, and it was the Cover FX Perfect Face Palette, and it has 2 highlighters, a brightener, a contour, a finishing powder, and a blush. This one's mine, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So if you're interested in winning this, just, you know, I'll put the rules for the giveaway in the description box. So, so that's the palette. So if you're interested in winning, you know what to do. That one was my palette. This is your palette. I have it wrapped up in this bubble wrap. When I got mine in my BoxyLuxe box, it did not come in a box, and it did not come in a box when I ordered it from the charm room. It just came like this. But it hasn't been touched and it hasn't been swatched or anything like that, and I just put it in this bubble wrap, and I'm going to wrap it up again before I mail it out to the winner. So good luck. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. No matter what time of day it is, no matter where you are, I hope you all are doing very, very well. And I hope to see you in my next video. Forever Vivi Pretty. Take care. Bye.